guys, andito na ako ngayon sa Enoch along Doha Road, Dubai para magpa automatic car wash. Meron din ditong Zoom, bilihan ng snack saka McDonald's. Ito na yung Pro Wash automatic wash. It's around 12 noon, so walang mga nakapila. So ang presyo ng automatic car wash dito is 30 dirhams. Pagkatapos ng automatic car wash, lilipat tayo sa kabila kasi manual nilang lilinisan yung loob sa kalabas at saka i-vacuum din nila. Hello pare.
Hello, how are you?
Acha hai.
Acha, good. Last mobile number last is 7005.
Yeah.
Which wash?
30 dirhams.
30 dirham. Only 37.
Ah.
Double wash, make a double wash. Only 7 difference.
It's okay.
Remember? This one close.
We pay now?
Close.
Okay. Pinasara niya sa akin yung bintana para hindi pumasok yung init sa loob ng sasakyan. Thank you. Ayan, nakabayad na tayo ng 30 dirhams. So paabantahin na tayo ni kuya. Yung una dito, yung pressure washer muna dito sa side. Ayan, kinon niya na. Ayan. Start na ng car wash. Yan, bubuhos mo na yung tubig. Parang malakas lang na ulan. Ayan, bumalik siya. Sunod yata nito yung ano na eh, yung shampoo. Mabilis lang naman ang car wash dito eh. Mabilis lang pero sulit kasi ang lakas ng pressure ng tubig. Ayan na yung car shampoo. Iikot yan. Yung 30 dirhams, one time lang masashampoohan yung sasakyan. 37 dirhams, 2 times. Pero okay na ako sa 30 dirhams. Ayan, umikot na yung shampoo. So after a few seconds, yung pressure water washer na yan. Ayun, sa lakas ng pressure washer, siguradong tanggal lahat ng dumi. Ayan, tapos na siya. So ang next nito, pupunta na tayo dun sa blower. Drive through slowly. Ayan na yung blower, para matuyo ng konti, kasi next is yung manual cleaning. Lakas ng blower, parang bagyo. So after that, step 2 ay pupunta na tayo dito sa manual cleaning. Ayan, walang pila kasi tanghaling tapat. Ito mga kaibigan ko to. Ayan guys, tapos na yung manual cleaning. So after this, punta tayo dun sa Zoom para bumili ng snacks. Ay hindi, paggasolina muna pala tayo. Dito tayo sa Hello, special full tank.
Full tank po.
Kabayan?
Opo.
Kabayan pala yung gasoline boy. Dito sa Dubai, bihira lang yung kabayan ng gasoline boy kasi sa sobrang init ng panahon, lalo na pag summer, karamihan hindi kaya ng mga Pilipino. Pero yung ibang lahi, sanay na sanay sila. Konti lang naman yung may kakargang gasolina nito kasi halos 3/4 pampuno. Kailangan ko lang i-full tank para ngayong week hindi na ako pabalik-balik. Ayun, 25 liters, 65 dirhams.
Card, sir.
Card payment. Magkano ng litro ngayon?
Ano sir, 258. 2.58.
Mahal na talaga. Okay na?
May stop ko sir?
Ay, yung wife ko, next time na lang.
Si po sir.
Hindi na, okay na.
Salamat sir.
Salamat.
Ingat.
Ang mahal na ng gasolina sa Dubai. Dati nun, way back 2007, nung bagong salta ako dito, hindi pa aabot sa 1 dirham per liter. Ganun talaga. Okay, so park muna ako dito sa Zoom, bibili ng konting snacks, saka air freshener. So hanggang dito muna guys. Salamat sa pagsama niyo sa akin sa car wash at sa pagpagasolina. So sana subscribe kayo, and click on the notification button para sa tuwing may i-upload akong video, makikita nyo kaagad sa feeds nyo. Maraming salamat and God bless us all.
Verstappen has won Formula One's Italian Grand Prix. The Red Bull driver finished clear of McLaren pair Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri. His 66th career race victory also sees him become the first person to win from pole position in Monza since 2019. And in golf, Rory McIlroy came through a dramatic three-hole playoff to win his second Irish Open golf title. He beat Sweden's Joachim Lagergren. It's McIlroy's first time lifting the trophy in 9 years and his first tournament success since becoming a Masters champion in April.
Stories that make you smile.
Powered by Real Madrid World. Step into the world's only Real Madrid football theme park and explore over 40 experiences. Book your tickets now at DubaiParksandResorts.com.
Did you know that otters have pockets where they store their favourite rock for safekeeping? Sea otters have a special fold of skin under their armpits that acts like a pocket. In there they'll stash food and their favourite rock. They use rocks to smash open clams and crabs and sometimes use their shells to balance food on their bellies like bowls. Scientists say they're one of the few animals known to use tools and carry them everywhere.